Welcome to our channel. Today, you will learn something that can change your English forever. Not a grammar book, not a classroom, not an expensive teacher. Just you, your phone, and one free AI tool. But what I'm about to show you can change how you learn English forever. So stay with me, because this is not a normal video. Let me show you how this works. I remember my first day trying to speak English. Someone asked me a simple question. And I just stood there, silent, my face went red. I felt so embarrassed, so small. That moment hurt, but it also changed everything. Because that day, I made a decision. I was going to find a way, without a teacher, without money, just me and my phone. And I found it. You understand English, you really do. You watch movies, you read texts, you get the words. But then someone talks to you. And suddenly, nothing comes out. Your mouth freezes, your mind goes blank, your heart beats fast. Sound familiar? You are not alone. Millions of people feel this every single day in the United States. At school, the teacher asks a question. You know the answer, but you don't raise your hand. Why? Because you are scared of making mistakes, scared people will laugh. At a job interview, you prepare everything, but when they ask, tell me about yourself, your words disappear. This fear is real, and it stops people from living their best life. Most people never fix this. They wait, they hope it gets better. But it never does, not without practice. Here is the truth. Speaking English is a skill, like riding a bike, you have to practice it. But here is the problem, where do you practice? You can't just walk up to strangers. You can't afford a tutor every day. Most people give up. They say, maybe English is not for me. But wait, what if there was another way? What if you had a practice partner, available 24 hours a day? Someone who never judges you, never laughs at your mistakes, never gets tired. Someone who is always ready to talk. That partner exists, and it is called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a free AI tool made by OpenAI. You can use it on your phone or computer. Think of it like a very smart friend, a friend who loves to talk about anything. You can talk to it about your day, ask it questions, practice conversations, tell stories. And here is the best part, it never judges you. You can make mistakes, you can try again, you can go slow. No pressure, no embarrassment, just practice. Let me show you a simple example. You open ChatGPT and type, "Let's practice English, pretend you are my coworker." ChatGPT replies, "Sure, hey, how was your weekend?" You reply, "It was good, I go to park with my family." ChatGPT says, "That sounds fun. You can also say, I went to the park, keep going, you're doing great." See that? It corrects you, but kindly, like a real friend. It helps you speak, it helps you improve, and it does it every single day. But this is just the beginning. Here is the simple plan. I call it the 30-day ChatGPT challenge. Every day, for just 15 minutes, you practice speaking with ChatGPT. That is it, just 15 minutes. Week 1, start simple. Tell ChatGPT about your day. Use easy sentences. Today I woke up early, I had breakfast, I went to work. ChatGPT will respond. Keep the conversation going, don't stop, don't overthink. Week 2, try harder topics. Practice for real situations. Tell ChatGPT, help me practice for a job interview. Or say, let's talk about my favorite movie. Or try, help me order food at a restaurant. Every conversation builds your confidence. Every day you get better. Now stay with me. Because what I am about to share next is the most important part of this whole video. Don't skip this. This is where most people go wrong. Week 3, now push yourself. Ask ChatGPT to correct every mistake. Type, please correct every grammar mistake I make. This is powerful. You see your errors, you fix them, you learn fast. Week 4, have full conversations. Talk for 15 minutes straight. No stopping, no translating in your head, just talk. By day 30, something amazing happens. Your brain starts thinking in English. Words come faster, fear gets smaller. You start feeling confident, and confidence changes everything. Here is the secret most people don't know. Small daily practice beats big weekly study. 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Sunday. Consistency is the key. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Even 5 minutes counts, just don't stop. Now I want to tell you something important. Fluency is not about perfect grammar. It is not about using big words. It is not about speaking like a news anchor. Fluency is about communication. It is about being understood. It is about walking into a room and feeling confident. It is about saying what you feel without fear. You don't need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. Even native English speakers make mistakes every day. What matters is that you try. What matters is that you keep going. Every mistake you make is a step forward. Every conversation makes you stronger. Think about where you want to be in 30 days. Walking into your job interview with confidence. Talking to your classmates without fear. Calling a store, placing an order, asking for help, all without hesitation. That life is possible. It is waiting for you. But you have to start today, not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Because every day you wait is a day you stay stuck. You have the tool, you have the plan. Now all you need is the decision. So let's recap. Millions of people struggle to speak English, not because they are not smart, but because they don't practice enough. ChatGPT is your free practice partner, available anytime. No judgment, always ready. The 30-day challenge is simple, just 15 minutes a day. Talk, make mistakes, improve, repeat. Fluency comes from confidence. Confidence comes from practice. Practice starts today. Are you ready to start today? If yes, comment below right now. Just type, Day 1. I personally read every single comment. If you type Day 1 right now, I will reply to you. Yes, personally to you. So do it right now, don't wait. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people find this video. And if you want more English tips like this, subscribe to our channel right now. We upload new videos every week to help you speak English with confidence. Thank you for watching. You've got this. Now go start your Day 1.